In a world where everything is forced to be multi-purpose, the idea of just moving has become far too small. A truck is no longer something that simply drives. It must carry, it must lift, it must measure, and take on tasks once reserved only for specialized machines. And the tech you're about to see proves one thing: a modern pickup can do far more than you think. We start with something built for real work. A flatbed that completely changes what a pickup can handle. The Harper DWS uses a full steel frame, reinforced for daily heavy loads, and coated with a textured gator hide finish to resist rust, impacts, and surface wear. It comes in multiple sizes for both single and dual rear-wheel trucks, so the structure stays stable no matter the chassis. At the center is a recessed gooseneck ball rated for up to 40,000 pounds, a spec you normally only see on full-size work rigs. LED lighting is integrated into the headache rack, the side markers, and the brake lights, keeping everything visible when the job runs past sunset. Stake pockets let you mount side panels or custom attachments, and optional steel toolboxes add protected storage without compromising strength. It's a flatbed designed around real workloads, where durability, traction, and towing power aren't optional features, they're the whole point. Let's shift focus from brute force to measured accuracy. LifeMark's RTK module turns a pickup into a rolling survey system. Before a road is rebuilt, it scans every existing line on the pavement with centimeter-level precision. The data is mapped instantly, so crews can reapply the markings later with the exact same geometry. Even at speed, the RTK unit keeps alignment tight, far more consistent than manual surveying. A compact setup, but built for jobs where every centimeter matters. Next is another smart system, this time built for icy conditions. Ice Striker adjusts salt flow based on the truck's real-time speed. Accelerate, it spreads more. Slow down, the dosage tightens to avoid waste. Its hopper holds over 2 cubic meters, enough for long winter shifts. The onboard GPS logs the entire route and generates a PDF report when the job is done. No manual tracking, just power up and go. On most pickup trucks, the space running along the bed rails is practically wasted. The Ram box turns that unused area into 2 sealed, weather-resistant storage compartments that are engineered with real purpose. Inside, the walls are lined with moisture-resistant materials, paired with thick rubber gaskets to keep out water, dust, and road debris, even when driving through rough terrain. Integrated LED lighting makes the compartments usable at night, and the 115-volt outlet lets you run a pump, a drill, or charge power tools on the spot without opening the cabin or dragging cables from inside the truck. The electronic locking mechanism ties directly into the truck's central lock system, so opening and securing the storage is completely seamless. The left compartment works well for longer tools, while the right side fits toolboxes, recovery gear, fire extinguishers, or camping equipment. The best part is that the entire system sits outside the bed space, so you don't lose a single centimeter of actual cargo capacity. You gain storage without giving anything up. Rambox shows how smart design can turn overlooked space into something genuinely useful on a modern pickup. If the Ram box is the built-in convenience option, then WeatherGuard goes the opposite way. A standalone toolbox built so tough you can trust it on any terrain. Many toolboxes look solid, but once you load them heavily, they twist with the movement of the truck. WeatherGuard doesn't. Reinforced steel panels keep the structure locked in place, so even off-road it won't flex or deform. The lid uses a full-length piano hinge with dual support arms that open smoothly and stay steady in strong wind. A weather-sealed lip runs around the edge, blocking out rain or wash-down water completely. Inside, the layout is simple but useful. adjustable sliding trays, and enough depth for power tools, recovery straps, or safety gear, without needing to stack everything messy. The lock uses a thick steel bar that engages both sides at once, making forced entry much harder. No frills, no gimmicks, just a solid, dependable piece of hardware that performs exactly the way a professional toolbox should. Black Sheep sees the truck bed differently. They turn it into a multi-purpose space that works as storage and as a sturdy outdoor work surface. The core idea is the dual hidden compartments. Lift the panels and you get long, deep slots perfect for tools, camping gear, or anything that needs to stay discreet. The top surface is fully load-bearing. You can stand on it, cook on it, or set up tools with no issue. It transforms the tailgate area into a clean, flexible workstation. Each panel is CNC cut for your specific truck, secured with strong mechanical latches, and coated with a water-resistant finish for easy cleaning after off-road use. Black Sheep isn't about showing off. It's about function. Neat, durable, and built for people who want their pickup to do more than one job. After the streamlined tech section, it's time for something more practical. The big bed extender solves a familiar problem. The bed is never long enough. It adds roughly 1.2 meters of usable length, giving solid support for kayaks, lumber, or oversized cargo. The square steel frame locks into the hitch receiver, staying stable even when the truck is bouncing over rough terrain. When not needed, it folds down in seconds, keeping the rear clear while staying ready for the next haul. With a load rating around 181 kilograms, it covers most daily tools and building materials with ease. A simple mechanical idea, but one that dramatically increases a pickup's working length. When you're alone with heavy cargo, the Impact 2000 lift gets it done in seconds. It can raise about 97 kilograms, drawing power from the truck battery and staying balanced even with awkward loads like electric wheelchairs or large equipment. Its 11-gauge steel frame is epoxy primed and powder coated, built to resist impact and corrosion. Compact when folded, ready to work the moment it deploys. BedRider takes an unusual approach, turning the rear seats into cargo space in just seconds. The seats use a quick-release system, tool-free, and the locking mechanism has been independently tested, exceeding federal safety standards. It even appeared on Shark Tank, but the real highlight is the deployment speed. Pull the latch, lift the seats, and the truck instantly gains extra room. For anyone switching often between passengers and bulky gear, it's a simple mechanical idea with very practical results. This one is for anyone who travels with a dog in their pickup, the DT1000L Dog Box. It's built from thick aluminum panels, rigid, durable, and lightweight, so it mounts securely in the truck bed. Inside are two separate compartments, each with its own locking door and large ventilation openings to keep airflow steady on long drives. The floor is non-slip, reducing movement for the dog on rough terrain. There's also thermal insulation, helping protect pets from sudden heat or cold. A simple accessory, but extremely practical for the people who need it. In regions where winter can bury the road under massive snowpacks, heavy-duty pickups often rely on systems like the Blue Plow. This unit spans up to 5 meters, with wings that rotate 180 degrees, allowing quick hydraulic switching between scooping, widening, or full-width clearing modes. Installation is straightforward, no need to remove the tailgate, and depending on the model, it weighs around 442 to 465 kilograms, making it suitable for strong chassis trucks. Its hydraulic impact protection system lets the blade flex when striking hidden posts or obstacles beneath the snow, reducing stress on the truck's frame, a must when visibility is low and the snowpack is unpredictable. A simple, durable, and highly effective piece of equipment for increasingly extreme winters. After all the technologies that make a pickup more capable, this is what happens when everything is pushed to the extreme. Adrenaline Industries build on the Ram 5500. The 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel makes about 360 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque, giving it the force needed to carry or power the heavy modules and systems we've seen throughout the video. With a 19,500-pound GVWR and roughly 12,000 pounds of payload, it can support expedition beds, survival equipment, or large storage systems that light-duty pickups simply can't handle. Four-wheel drive, with upgraded suspension, keeps traction on tough terrain, while heavy-duty brakes handle the heat and load of long off-road travel. It proves how all the earlier technologies, storage, lifting, measuring, and load handling, can come together as a complete system when mounted on a platform strong enough to carry them.